Your domain name is your online address, and it's just as important as your business name. Here's how to choose the right one. First point, keep it simple. Choose a name that's easy to type and remember. For example, instead of superdupermanufacturingsolutions.com, go for something short like supermfg.com. Use a .com domain. While there are many options like .in or .net, a .com domain is still the most trusted and widely recognized. Check availability. Use websites like GoDaddy or Namecheap to check if your preferred domain is available. If not, try slight variations, but avoid complicated spellings. Example, if your business is called Green Tech Solutions and greentechsolutions.com is taken, you could try greentechindia.com or greentechco.com. So, do you have a domain name idea for your business? Drop in the comments and I will help you refine it. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. See you in the next video.